What's up, guys? It's Jason with Northern Outdoors. I wanted to share a quick video with you guys on how you call it the proper way to fold up your climbing stand. A lot of us run the Summit Pit Vipers or the Goliaths, the aluminum version of that. But a lot of people struggle putting them together or just don't know how to do it. I struggled with it for a long time. So my friend showed me this tip, and it's the way I do it now. I'll never do it a different way. But yeah, I'll show you this video, show you the way he does it, and hopefully help somebody out. Start from the top.
All right. So you got your tree stand. Take your straps, slide them back. Take your seat and set it like this for right now.
And that's the base.
Then here's your bottom. Take this. Raise your chair up, or your seat. Slide it up under here. And take your seat and flip it through like this. Stand your stand up. Falls right together. Take your seat, put it behind your cord, and you got a nice little pouch. Set your backpack. This will hold your backpack in. And that is it.
Just like that. And then you just put your straps on it.
Yep, and put your strap on it, tighten her down, you're done.
I do mine sideways. I see some people
do mine like this right here. Wrap it around right there, lay it over here. Wrap it around.
Yep, and you just set your backpack right there and
take off. Throw it on your back, take off.
good to go.